How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to NFT Revolution.
My name is Freddie Colton, and today we're going to be talking about a project that has me extremely excited for the future of NFT, cryptocurrency, and I guess just e-commerce in general, and that is going to be Agoraverse. Now, of course, before I jump into the nitty-gritty, please keep in mind this is not financial advice. I am in no way a financial advisor, purely just a crypto geek who loves to discuss new projects, upcoming projects, and just projects I feel have promise. But with that being said, don't buy into anything just because I talk about it. Please make sure to do your own research before investing into literally anything, really. Now, let us go ahead and jump into that research, though, or a little bit of that research that we should do. It's the world's first blockchain-powered shopping metaverse. The Agora is to becoming a shopping mall where companies, NFT projects, and influencers alike can showcase and sell their products in true Web3 fashion. MetaShop functionalities, so a new way of showcasing products using the Unity game engine, which of course we know through a lot of projects I've talked about, but most of you know Unity. Pretty much what I will call the best game engine out there. It's been a part of all of the most fun games ever. Things like BioShock, things like Borderlands, just big games. Using the Unity game engine allows us to create a realistic 3D environment and push the boundaries on gamification, be among the first to promote your product and service, being literally anything. I'm just going to shorten that out because it's such a long list of things. Literally anything. MetaShop functionality is a fully customizable environment. You'll be able to use their built-in editor mode to rearrange your store to your and your customers' likings. MetaShop functionality, create a revenue stream using blockchain tech. You will be able to create the currency of our metaverse, Agora, sell items inside your MetaShops with their tokens without clients having to ever leave the Agora. And the Agora will have the US dollar value. And new way of shopping online, experience colorful and professional design stores that are not limited to the law of physics. Explore the shopping mall with your friends and make online purchases for real life products and digital items in an entertaining and lively environment. That's right. So we will go down here real quickly. Now you can meet the team if you're interested in checking them out. They are fully doxed. You can click through and see anything you'd like to about them. Just wanted to kind of give you that little heads up while we were earlier on in the video. Now we will get back to exploring things a little bit more, but before that, we are going to actually click through and just learn a little bit more about the project in general. Now, it did start out as an NFT, and we'll read a little bit more about that, but if you're interested in, investing into the NFT, we'll talk more about how you can use it in a little bit. Definitely check it out here on OpenSea. 24,000 and growing over on Twitter. We can see on Discord 16,000 plus, and they are keeping super busy over on this Discord. Now check this out. There are a ton of official links. I'm not sadly going to be able to go through all of them. However, I chose the ones I found the most important, but I did want to show you that just in case you wanted to check these out. Check them out on medium.com as well with over 2,000 followers. Their YouTube is doing really well with over 1,000 subscribers, and you can check out videos telling you all about the project, showing you a little bit more about it, and just getting you really hyped up for it. We can see here on their LinkedIn that it is a really legitimate looking LinkedIn, a legitimate business, 12 employees, and a lot of people checking this one out. This is the white paper for the project. Now, I'm not really going to go through the white paper so much, just going to kind of show through it as I talk a little bit about talking about it, but really this shows you a little bit of the cool stuff you can see. I highly recommend checking out the white paper if interested. Now, keep in mind, I'm getting to all of these links mostly from right up here, and then all the way over here we can see the links for all their social medias. Let's see here. Now, we're at white paper. We're going to check out staking, FAQ, and becoming a partner. Now, if you'd like to stake, now with the business club card, you can actually connect this if you'd like to use the staking thing. And again, we'll talk more about the cards in a minute. The FAQs right here on their Medium if you're interested. The contact form for becoming a partner. You can actually become a partner if interested. Just check out the contact form, contact them, and get things set up how you need. and there is a pre-sale going on. So it's the first kind of this is the coin pre-sale basically. It's happening in just a day, and it will be happening literally I'm putting this out same day. So it'll be happening in a day of me talking about this as well. I also did a video about this on Crypto Revolution and talk a little bit more about it. Now, and as we see, so this is the token sale as we touched on. Now, this is also the raffle staking. There is a raffle stake as well, just to kind of give you that idea. So we saw that. There's leisure areas, so take your time in the shopping. It should be fun and relaxing experience. You can have fun with your friends as well in the online multiplayer platform, inviting your friends to shop. Go have a good afternoon and play around. Make new friends, which is great networking. So the thing is, you got private lofts. You can see here a little bit more about these. Now, the cool thing about these private lofts is that you can actually rent them out, purchase them, purchase products in the Agora, bring those over to your loft, have a legitimately cool looking loft in the Metaverse. Which again, you just put on your goggles and go right away, which is so much fun sounding. Now, the access cards. So to become a loft owner, you need to own a card to become a loft owner, interestingly enough. Now, you can get shopping advantages with certain cards and earn passive incomes with others. So absolutely check out the cards if you're interested in jumping into this project a little more. And as I mentioned, it is Solana, so they do sell for Solana at the moment, which, to be honest with you, they're selling for a really great price, a real good deal at the moment, I would say. Inexpensive but not cheap, because it is a very cool product. Now, this is the roadmap for the project. So quarter one has been completed with the mint of the loft sales, the team recruitment, and the airdrop. Quarter two has the Agora being created, the release, transaction system, lofts, the editing of everything, ICO, which is the launch of the coin, and staking as well, which we checked out. Quarter three is the Loft and Agora, MetaShops, and official alpha launch of the Agora, and further developments expanding the Agora. Now, the Metaverse development, step one is releasing the standard Loft demo, multiplayer, wallet authentication, and the Agora main hall is where they're going to start. Step two, game development on every Loft tier, standard, premium, and exclusive, implementation of the different Loft customization presence, and editor of Lofts and Metashops, first version of a functional Metashop inside of the Agora, transaction mechanism inside the Metaverse. Then step three, enable the possibility to rent your Loft, expand customization features, start a VR integration, development for the partner Metashops, and development of mini games for the leisure area. Now, what is so cool about this project, I'm going to actually refresh now, it is Agoraverse.org. I'm going to refresh to see if it shows you the little video that it does showed me at the beginning when I pulled this up originally, because you see, here we go. So we can actually get a little bit of a look through what's going on over here. Thought you'd find this pretty cool. So we can see here how this looks. It is beautiful. It is clearly already being put together as a real game. It's definitely not just animation, you can tell. So I just wanted to talk about this and say that this is such an interesting project. Obviously, it's a really exciting concept, and it's a concept that I personally find to be very valuable, honestly. And what I will say is, again, you can actually buy products that are virtual, right, and bring them to the real world. And that's something that just can kind of start happening, right, is you can go into this place, have the fun experience of picking out and shopping for your product and having it sent over to you without actually having to go into the pesky public. So I think this one's so fun. I think this project is so cool. Definitely check out the token if this is one you're interested in. Same with the NFT. And I just gotta say, my friends, that is Agora. This is a project I'm so excited about, and please check out more about this one. But as always, thank you for coming by Crypto Coins. My name is Freddie Colton, and I will see you in the next episode.